Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Agri New Light. Today I am here to discuss about cultivation of cauliflower. So let's start our video without wasting a time. Scientific name of cauliflower is Brassica oleracea. Edible part of cauliflower is curd. It is the rich source of vitamin A and C, potassium, magnesium and sodium, calcium, etc. If I talk about climate and soil of cauliflower, it prefers cool climate and low temperature. Temperature varies from 8 degrees Celsius to 28 degrees Celsius. pH should be 5.5 and 6.5. Cauliflower can grow in sandy loam and clay loam soil with good drainage facility. If I talk about varieties of cauliflower, September maturity variety early Kunwari, Pusa early synthetic. October maturity Pusa Dipali and Pusa Ketki. Next one, improved Japanese and Pusa hybrid second, which matures in month of November. Next, December maturity variety Pusa synthetic, Pusa Subra, Pusa Snowball 1 and Pusa Snowball K first. Next point, raising of nursery. Nursery bed should be 1 meter wide, 15 centimeter high length according to requirement. FYM should be applied 10 kg per meter square. To control seed-borne disease, hot water treatment at 50 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes is recommended. Seeds can be also treated with Trichoderma viride at the rate 4 gram per kg seed or Pseudomonas fluorescens at the rate 1 gram per kg seed against root rot or dumping of disease. For 1 hectare area, 450 gram to 700 gram seeds are required for early variety and 300 to 500 gram mid variety and late variety are sufficient. Next, the seeds should be sown in furrow at 7 to 8 centimeter apart and 0.5 centimeter depth. After sowing the seeds, the beds are covered with dry grasses before watering. The grass cover should be removed as soon as seedling starts emerging. Next point, field preparation and transplanting. FYM should be mixed at the rate 25 to 30 ton per hectare and use of neem cake 3 to 4 quintal per hectare and Azotobacter phosphotica at the rate 20 kg per hectare. Seedling are ready to planting 3 to 4 weeks after sowing. The September and October maturity group should be transplanted in the month of July and August. Mid variety are transplanted in September and October, while late group during November. Next, spacing. What are the spacing required in cauliflower crop? Plant to plant spacing should be 40 cm and row to row spacing should be 45 to 60 cm. Next, if I talk about intercultural operation, blanching is most important intercultural operation should be done in cauliflower crop. Blanching, in which we do covering of a curd by the help of leaf to protect the curd from sunlight and his quality. Cauliflower is a very sensitive crop and check in its growth at any stage results in buttoning. When crop is growth in ridges, adequate earthing up is essential so that roots are not exposed. Hoeing and beading operations should be not be deep to avoid injury to shallow root system. First irrigation just given after transplanting of seedling. Number and frequency of irrigation depends upon the weather, soil type and variety. However, water supply is must both during growth and curd formation stage. Pest and disease management in cauliflower. To avoid infestation of root grub, we use bell rotten FYM in main field. Caterpillar of Heliothrix and other worms can be controlled by spraying of Bacillus thuringiensis at the rate 100 ml per liter of water. Next point, spray 1 to 3 times at 15 days interval. Add sticker and spreaders to spray solution for effectiveness. Application of neem oil cake at the rate 2.5 liter per hectare or neem cake 1 kg at the rate 20 liter of water controls sucking pain. Disease like dumping of leaf spot, blight and wilt can be controlled by spraying of 0.5% suspension of Pseudomonas fluorescens. Spraying of Bordeaux mixture 1% also prevents various fungal diseases. Harvesting. Next point, harvesting. Cauliflower is harvested when the curd are compact, attain proper size and retain original color. Delayed harvesting results in non-marketable loose and discolored curds. Yield. Early variety produces low yield 60 to 100 quintal per hectare compared to mid and late variety. Late variety yield 250 to 300 quintal per hectare. Last point, physiological disorder of cauliflower. It is very important for competitive exam. Many times these questions are asking in exams, so you have to be careful about these topics and focus on it and prepare this. First, richness. Curds become loose, velvety appearance, elongation of petal and formation of small white flower at curd stage. It is mainly due to fluctuation of temperature. Next point, next disorder, leafy curd. Small green leaves develops inside the segment of curd and results in poor curd development. It is due to high temperature. Next disorder, blindness. At early stage, the growing tip is damaged by insect or low temperature, resulting in no curd formation. Next disorder, buttoning. Development of small curd in young plants. It is due to nutrient deficiency or due to water stagnation or may be due to transplanting of old seedling. Next important disorder, hollow stem. Hollow stem. The stem become hollow and curd formation is affected. It is due to heavy fertilization, especially nitrogenous fertilizer. Next one disorder, browning or brown rot or red rot. Brown color spots develops on stem and curd. It is due to boron deficiency. Last disorder, whiptail. It is very important disorder. Normal leaf blade development fails and leaf become whip and narrow in shape. It is due to molybdenum deficiency. Okay. Thank you for watching my video.